This is Praveen Kumar Ravi, working as a technical team leader at Conceptual Connect. Conceptual Connect is the best reseller in SolidWorks and 3D Experience Works in India. In this video, I am going to explain about my favorite top 5 enhancements of SolidWorks 2024.
First up, the highly anticipated save to previous version feature. Say goodbye to version compatibility headaches. Now you can effortlessly save your files in SolidWorks 2022 and 2023 formats. Here I am showcasing an SolidWorks assembly file I am going to save in 2022 version. Not only assembly files, we can also save part files in both the versions of SolidWorks 2022 and 2023. In previous releases with Bounding Box, we were limited only to evaluate the bar stock size for prismatic components. But with SolidWorks 2024, we have the Cylindrical Bounding Box option to quickly calculate the stock size for turned components. In SolidWorks 2023 and older version, you would have cut the component outside the sketch section under extruded cut. This has been extended to Revolved Cut with flip side option to change the scope of cut in your design. Here you are seeing I have done an internal cut. With the same sketch, I am going to do an external Revolved Cut. The hole wizard feature in SolidWorks 2024 is improved with existing sketch feature. So here I have selected a hole and the position I can use an existing sketch. With this I can able to directly go to the sketch and I can select whichever the holes I want to make. Not only in 2D sketch, I can able to select direct 3D. So let me show how it works. Again I am going to the hole wizard thing. I am going to select M3 tab this time. So I am going to select as a blind hole. Once it is done, I am going for direct 3D sketch option. This time without any time delay or without any putting much effort, I can directly select the holes and I can get my tabs. So once my dimensions were done, it is set and ready to go. We can select or skip the instance of the holes easily. Last but not least, streamline your design process with the symmetric pattern option. We no need to select any additional direction, dimension or instance to create patterns. Using the symmetric pattern option under the linear pattern, now you can reduce time and the efforts involved to create instantly.
So these are my top 5 favorite features of SolidWorks 2024. If you are interested in learning the new features, kindly check the link below in the description and don't forget to like, share and subscribe.